Hi, everyone. This is Appgeeker channel. Today we'll doing a quick troubleshooting guide when your iPhone XR won't charge. We've come up with a few ways to diagnose your charging cable, adapter, charging port and device itself to get iPhone XR to charge again. So you guys probably have trouble charging iPhone XR, the phone is not charging at all, or it's charging slowly, it won't charge to 100%, or it charges only up to a certain percent. At a time when you snap a couple more important photos, or watch the TikTok videos, you may charge your iPhone XR so that its battery would not be almost dead. But the thing is that your iPhone XR has been plugged in for 4 hours, even overnight, and it won't charge at all. So this entire video is pretty much going over how to fix iPhone XR that won't charge, as well as rule out the cause why your phone is not charging. Please do not skip a single step. Alright, guys. First, let's make sure the charger you use to charge your iPhone XR works fine. We know the charger comprises two sections, the adapter and the cable. So we're gonna to isolate whether the charging issue is owing to the cable or adapter. Okay, check the cable. A frayed cable stops electricity from correctly flowing through the charging cable into your device, and as a result, could cause your iPhone XR not to charge properly. To test it, if you have another iPhone at hand, connect the same cable to it and see if it works. Or try a different cable. If your iPhone XR charges fine on the other one, it's certain that the issue lies in the cable you're using. You need to have your cable replaced. A warm tip here is, if your iPhone XR is under the Apple 1-year warranty, Apple would replace the accessories free of charge. You can check the warranty status in Devices Settings app, tap General, tap About. Here, if you have a warranty left, you will see Limited Warranty option with the expiration date. If it's expired, it should be the coverage expired. Next, check the adapter as well. If it's faulty, your iPhone XR will not charge or charge slowly when plugged in. Another essential of iPhone XR responding to charge is the charging source. Wall power outlet is more secure and faster than a PC or laptop when charging your iPhone. It's also wise to use Apple Original Charger. Your iPhone XR may not charge as expected. Now let's move to another thing. How clean is your charging port? There may be the dust, dirt, or fragments of metal or plastic getting clogged in the port over time, which prevents iPhone XR from charging correctly. Okay, the ideal way is to use a non-static cleaning tool, like a toothpick or a toothbrush. Here, I gently insert the toothpick into the port and scrape the debris out. Actually, we need to clean it on a regular basis to avoid any blocks. Don't use anything pointy to poke inside the port, because you may end up making iPhone XR charging port not working. Now that, guys, the charging cable, adapter and charging port are in good conditions. I plugged the lightning cable into the wall adapter, then plugged the adapter into the wall. See that both ends of the charging cable sit completely flush between the charging port and adapter. If the connections are not firm, you cannot charge your iPhone XR. Now sit around and let your device charge for a half hour. I'll come back soon to see it's working. Okay, if your iPhone XR is still unresponsive or turning on since it's been plugged in to charge for hours, then the method 3 is to perform a force or hard restart. It's a super easy matter of pressing volume up, volume down and side button in correct order, and you won't lose anything in this step. Now, I will show you guys how to force restart iPhone XR. Press and quickly release volume up button. Press and quickly release volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears on the screen. Alright, when you see the Apple logo, you're going to let go the side button and wait for iPhone XR to turn on. It'll reboot to lock screen or home screen. Just leave it charging for another half hour. If the force restart fails to solve the unresponsiveness which keeps your iPhone XR from charging when system crashes, try to troubleshoot the system by using iOS System Recovery. You will find the download link in the description below if you're interested in it. The software is going to help you fix your iPhone XR when it doesn't charge, unexpected battery drain, and many other iOS issues quickly. You will not lose any data, so you don't have to go through the process of backing up your device. Let's begin. Launch iOS System Recovery on either your Windows PC or Mac. Move to the bottom left corner of the interface and click More Tools. Then you will see 4 panels on the screen. To fix iPhone XR not charging issue, move your mouse onto iOS System Recovery and click on it. The software is self-explained, and you could see it's able to solve iPhone can't charge. Click Start button. Next, we're going to select Standard Mode to troubleshoot iPhone XR without deleting data. Hit Confirm button. At this point, you're required to connect your iPhone XR that won't charge to your computer. If the software detects your device, move on to the next step. Otherwise, you need to following the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. It's easy to do that. Alright, go ahead to highlight the latest version of iOS and download it for your unresponsive iPhone XR. Let the software download the firmware, and once it's finished, it will begin repairing the corrupted system and get the charging problem fixed. The whole process may take 15 minutes to complete. Your iPhone XR will finally boot up. Try connecting the charging cable into your phone and see if your iPhone XR is charging. Right now, another question, your iPhone battery charging has stopped at 80%. When it seems to not get fully charged, it's because the battery gets too warm while it charges. We just need to remove the charger and cool it down before we charge it again. If the above methods work for you, congratulations! The charging issue has been fixed yourself. But if you find your iPhone XR not charging or turning on, the battery can be one of the most obvious reasons why your iPhone XR would no longer charge. Chances are your iPhone XR got wet that the battery is not charging and becomes malfunctioning. The only option is to get a replacement from Apple Service Center. That's all how to fix iPhone XR not charging issue. Hope this video really helped you get the device to charge again when plugged into charger and power it on. If it does, please give a thumb up, subscribe to Appgeeker channel, and activate the bell to learn more tech tips and fixes. If you are still having trouble, feel free to drop down the questions in the comments section below, and we'll get back to you with a solution shortly. See you in the next one.